Hanging clocks have a way of combining elegance and whimsy together all in one design. Welcome to the Crafty Hobbit channel. I'm Jeanette. New in my shop is a vintage hanging tabletop clock. Now this piece is a vintage piece with a decorative back, so that makes it kind of special in that the whole piece in itself is a beautiful piece of art. The body of the clock is all metal with an acrylic face cover. The stand is metal, and the back side has a beautiful scroll work in a plastic snap-in frame that covers the clock works from the reverse side of the clock. This particular style is getting harder to find as well, and if you want to grab it to add to your decor collection, it's going to look great with courtly decor, French country, and even checked farmhouse buffalo check style decor. The link is in the video description below, and if you want to see more new items as they become available, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. That's all I have on this one. Thanks so much for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one.